Okay, let's try and discuss this rate question that we see a lot, comparing the rates of two different machines. Okay, so one machine took 70 minutes while another took 100 minutes to print the same number of copies of a book. So this is the faster machine, this is a slower one. Okay, so it's slower by 30 minutes. So all these things you should take note as you read the question. Slower by 30 minutes. The faster machine printed 6 more copies of the book per minute than the slower one. The slower machine completed the job at 2 p.m. At what time was the printing started? So for part A, just draw a number line for yourself. Okay, the job completed at 2 p.m. What time did it start? Slower machine. Which one is slower? The one that is 100 minutes. Not the one at 70. 70 is faster. 100 minutes means you can go backwards by 1 hour first. So that is 60 minutes. And you land yourself at 1 p.m. And you need to again go backwards by another 40 minutes. Alright, so go backwards by another 40 minutes and you land yourself at 12:20 p.m. Okay, this is the answer for part A. Now for part B, what was the total number of copies printed by the two machines? Alright, now in order to do this, it's important to understand the time difference. Okay, the time difference between the machines is 100 minus 70. It is actually 30 minutes. Now, and then we need to ask ourselves, okay, why is it that the slower machine needed that 30 more minutes? Why is that so? It's because during the first 70 minutes, during the first 70 minutes, the fast machine completed the job. But the slower machine, okay, if you give both of them 70, fast and slow, the fast machine can complete the job. Slow machine cannot. Why? Because in that 70 minutes, the faster machine is printing 6 more copies every single minute, which means in 70 minutes, it is able to print an extra 420 copies more compared to the slower machine. So what does the slower machine do? It takes that extra 30 minutes to print the extra copies. Okay, so if you talk about the slower machine now, it will take 30 minutes to print that extra 420 copies that it did not manage to print. Okay, so you can now find in 1 minute what is the rate of printing for the slower machine. It's 14 copies. And a slower machine took a total of 100 minutes, right, to print the entire copies. So 14 times 100, that will give you 1,400 copies. Question is asking, what is the total number of copies printed by both machines? Now, since they printed the same, we take this, we times 2, we get 2800 copies. Final answer for this question, 2800.